solve cos 2 theta is equal to minus root 3 over 2 for theta between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So we've got cos 2 theta is equal to minus root 3 over 2. Now in this case we've got a negative bit here, but first of all you just ignore, remember we're solving between 0 and 360, just ignore the fact that it's negative, so just make this positive. And we'll deal with the negative sign later. So we've got cos to the minus 1 of root 3 divided by 2. That's equal to 30 degrees. Now we do our South Asian Tennis Club. And the first, second, third, fourth. And we angles going around that way are positive and angles that go that way are negative. Now, here, this is where we're going to do where it's negative. Here, this is negative. And we ask ourselves, in which quadrant is cos negative? Well, cos is negative in the second and the third quadrants. In these two quadrants, cos is negative. So in those two quadrants, we draw our angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal axis. And then measuring from here, 2 theta is going to be 180 minus 30, which gives you that little orange one there, or 180 plus 30, which gives you that sort of purple one there. However, we are solving between 0 and 360. Now, when we have 2 theta, we have to consider angles between 0 and 2 times 360, which is 720. So basically, we have to go around again. So going around again here, this point here is 540. Let's start again. 0, 180, 270, 360. Going around again to here will give me 540. So that's 360 plus 180. So the other angles I get by doing 540 minus 30 and then 540 plus 30. So that's going to give me that 2 theta is 150, 210, then 180 plus 540 minus 30 is 510, and 540 plus 30 is 570. But we've still got these angles between 0 and 720, so in order to find theta, we now divide by 2. So theta will be half of 150, half of 210, half of 510, and half of 570. So the answers are 75, 105 degrees, 255 degrees, and 285 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how you can deal with a double angle and when it's equal to sort of a negative value. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.